once you already log in, you can click here, then I go to profile, and it's gonna take a while. Now you are on your profile page. So here, edit your profile. And then you can see here, you can be able to change this image by clicking on this little camera. Click on that. Now it opens your photos where you have them. For example, you can change it to anything. For example, let's say if the profile you wanted to change, let's say it's this one, this one. Then if I click open, give it a sec. Taking a little while to apply the change. Now you can see you just changed your profile picture. That's it. To get out here, all you have to do, you just click here, or to post an ad, you can click here, or if you want to manage your ads, you can also click here, and that's it. So pretty much that's all you have to do. And once you finish, click on update my information. That's it. Okay.